Nursing students, doing NCLEX practice questions is not enough. If you're doing 10, 20, 50 NCLEX questions and really never understanding why you got the answer wrong, you're missing the whole point of doing practice NCLEX questions. But come here, girl, let me get you right.
Hey, I'm Dr. J, and I'm here to help you think like a nurse and thrive in nursing school. So let's get to it.
If you're new here, welcome. This is where I help nursing students think like a nurse and thrive in nursing school, whether that's mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, all of the things. And if you're returning, hey girl. Okay, so let's get into it. After you study a topic, I want you to do at least 10 NCLEX practice style questions on that exact content. But here's the important part. When you get a question wrong, don't just read the correct answer's rationale and move on. Ask yourself, why did I get this question wrong? Was it because I really didn't understand the content? Was it because of the way the question was asked? Or did you narrow it down to two answers that both sounded right and you picked the wrong one? If it was a content issue, ask yourself if it was because you weren't familiar with the topic itself or you didn't know the details of how the disease or disorder impacted the patient. For example, if the topic was about hypertension, which you know what that is, right? But you didn't know about hypertension and its complications, such as heart failure, and how to assess for those complications. Was it because of the way the question was asked? Like, did you not read it slowly and just jump to an answer because the content looked familiar? Or did you narrow it down to two answers that both sounded right and you picked the wrong one? Because if you're constantly getting down to the best two answers and somehow you're still choosing the wrong one, baby, that's not a content issue. That's a test taking problem. And that's exactly why you have to learn how to think like a nurse and identify what makes one answer better than the other. But no worries, I got you covered. Watch one of my test taking tip videos where I show you how to stop second guessing yourself and start choosing the best answers on nursing exams. Follow me if you want to learn more about how to think like a nurse and thrive in nursing school. Bye, ladies.